Japan was even more so. I mean, there was, outside of domestic help, there was very little exchange. And my parents, particularly my father, was an exception to a lot of rules for American military. I have a cartoon that was drawn of the troops, General MacArthur reviewing the troops, and he comes up to my father, who's standing on the troops dressed up as a samurai. And the General MacArthur says, "How long did you say this guy Mason was in Japan?" Because my father was fluent in Japanese, and one of his jobs was to make speeches in Japanese in little towns throughout Japan, selling democracy to post-Second World War Japan. So my parents were more involved in not being ghettoized culturally and just being with Americans. But as kids, it was not the same thing. Even though, I don't know if that makes sense to you, but as kids, you know, you had your friends and you stuck with your friends, and you had American movies and you had American food and you had American clothes, and you were very conscious of your privileged existence as Americans in post-war Japan.